Hello there, this video is for you if you're attempting to select between two of the best phones money can buy, a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus iPhone 13 Pro Max. Showdown is just what you need. And before proceeding further, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Watch the full video so that you don't miss any essential information, and if you like the video, please leave your comments below and give a thumbs up. Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 13 Pro Max. Software and special features. The integrated S Pen is without a doubt the Galaxy S22 Ultra's best feature. Also is not just built within the phone, but it performs significantly better than the previous Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because there is 70% less latency. Taking notes and drawing seems much more responsive. What you can accomplish with Google Duo is another interesting special feature for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. During a call, you can share your complete screen with others to watch videos on YouTube and other apps. To be fair, Apple's FaceTime does support that feature beginning with iOS 15. The main special feature of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is Cinematic Mode, which provides a bokeh effect for video and uses AI to transfer the focus to the right subject in the frame based on who is more active. You can also switch between subjects manually on the fly. Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 13 Pro Max. Verdict: this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 13 Pro Max comparison demonstrates that both of these phones are excellent, as evidenced by the tight final score. These two phones are separated by only 3 points. However, as seen in our iPhone 14 Pro Max vs Galaxy S22 Ultra comparison, Apple has increased the margin even again. Based on this comparison, I believe the iPhone 13 Pro Max has the upper hand due to its much longer battery life, speedier performance, and superior image quality in a number of areas. Samsung's cameras are improving, but they're still no match for the iPhone. However, Samsung has the advantage in terms of camera design, display quality, and versatility, particularly in low light performance and more powerful zoom. If a S Pen is something you'd like to have, the Galaxy S22 Ultra has one. Overall, the iPhone 13 Pro Max edges out the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But there's a reason why the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the greatest premium Android phone money can buy. Do you agree with this selection of phone? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to see more content like this. I have many more videos about technology on my channel. Check it out. Until next time.